Want to get a free Asana license? You're in the right place. In the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through exactly how you can get a free Asana license. No hidden fees, no tricks. Stay tuned till the end because I'll also share an exclusive bonus that you don't want to miss. First, let's talk about Asana itself. Asana is one of the top project management tools out there, helping teams collaborate and track work more efficiently. But if you're a small team or just looking to explore, you might not want to jump into a paid plan right away. That's where the free Asana license comes in. Next thing, let's talk about the basic Asana free plan. Asana offers a free plan for teams of up to 15 people, which includes all the essential features you'll need to get started: task management, project tracking, calendar view, and even collaboration tools. This is the perfect starting point if you're new to project management software or running a small team. But here's the cool part: you can actually start using Asana's premium features for free through a special offer. I'll tell you how in just a second. The fourth thing to keep in mind is that Asana does offer extended trials on premium plans sometimes, which can get you access to all their advanced features like timelines, reporting, and custom fields. While this is generally time limited, you can sometimes get up to 30 days to try out all the perks completely free. So, if you're wondering if it's worth it, this is your chance to explore all Asana has to offer. And now, the best part, I've got an exclusive offer for you. If you sign up through the first link in the description below, you'll get a special extended free trial to Asana's premium features. That means more time to experience everything without paying a dime. This offer is something you won't find anywhere else, so make sure to check it out. Finally, as a quick tip, if you're not a team of 15, Asana's free version still works for solo use or small projects. And if you need additional features later, you can always upgrade. The free version is perfect for getting a feel for how Asana works without any commitment. So to sum it up, getting a free Asana license is simple. Sign up for their free plan and make sure you grab that exclusive extended trial through the link below to get access to premium features. That's all you need to get started. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to grab that exclusive offer through the link below to get the most out of Asana's free features.